Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Jupiter airdrop in just a few simple steps. So make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss anything. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like. It really supports the channel and helps you not miss new videos about crypto opportunities. I always try to find promising crypto projects and potential airdrops and share them with you so that you can take advantage of these opportunities as well. Now let's talk a little about Jupiter. Jupiter is one of the largest liquidity aggregators in the Solana ecosystem, helping users find the best token swap rates across multiple platforms. And the project already has a large community and strong support within the crypto space. And here are a few reasons why it might be worth trying this airdrop. The project is already very popular in the crypto community. The JUP token is actively used within the ecosystem. Thousands of users have already received their airdrop. The process only takes a few minutes, so it's definitely worth trying. I'll leave the website link in the description. And now let's move on to claiming the airdrop. First, we go to the website. Here we can immediately see that the time is limited and also that many users have already received their airdrop. Next, we click check airdrop. Here we have two options. We can either enter our wallet address or connect our wallet directly. In my case, I'll connect my wallet. Click connect wallet, choose your wallet and connect it. After connecting, the system checks your eligibility, and as you can see, 1247 JUP available to claim. Now we simply click claim. Wait a few seconds. Perfect. Now we see the message claimed successfully, which means the airdrop was successfully claimed. Now I'll wait a little bit for the tokens to arrive in my wallet. After about 2 minutes, the airdrop has already arrived in my wallet. Now you can also try to get your own airdrop. The link will be in the description below the video. Make sure to write in the comments how much JUP you received. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new videos about promising projects and airdrops. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.